In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I believe is the best funnel builder software for GetResponse, and stay tuned to the end because regardless of what funnel builder software you use, you're going to want to know some important information before you connect any autoresponder or funnel builder software with GetResponse. I'm the real Robin Williams. If you don't know who I am, let's jump right into it. I'm already here logged into my GetResponse. The funnel builder software that I highly recommend is called the HBA Funnel Builder. I can't say it's the best one on the planet, but I can tell you that it's a pretty darn good autoresponder and it saves me a lot of money. I'm going to head on over to the software itself. And right now I am on one of my main pages inside of the software, and I'll cover some more great things about this. And if you want to actually take a look further into the software to make sure it fits your needs, I'll have a demo link available for you at the top of the description of this video. You can check things out, but I want to show you how easy it is to connect to GetResponse. That's one of the things that I believe a lot of people have trouble with, is the integration of things. Okay, it integrates your domain very nicely, and it also integrates with the autoresponder very nicely. I'm here at the main part of my website. I want to go to my funnel settings, and then I want to go to applications. And so you'll have the applications that you can add located here, as well as if you want to do a webhook, you're able to do that if you want to integrate something different. But ultimately, GetResponse, we want to hit connect. Once we hit connect, it's going to ask us for our API key. You want to head over to GetResponse, and you want to click on tools and the connect section. It'll have the integrations and API. You click there and then you click on API. Okay, here you can see the list of API keys that I have right now, and I want to create a new API key in order to connect to the funnel builder. And then I want to identify, make it something that you know exactly what it is, especially if you're connecting different sites to your GetResponse. You want to know exactly what this API key goes to. So I'll just put, I think it's the quick funnel builder. Okay, and so I'll click on generate, and it'll generate an API key. I hit copy, and then I can go back over to this here and paste it. Okay, save and verify. Okay, now my GetResponse is connected, but it's still not connected to a list. And if you're actually in my playlist for GetResponse and you need to know how to create a list and things like that, you should be able to, take a look at my playlist. But ultimately, it's connected to GetResponse extremely easy. If I wanted to connect it to a page, I would have to make sure I already have that list created. Let me see if I can find a demo page that I've put together, just a quick page that I put together testing some things out, and it has a form already connected to it. So on your page, you want to click the form if you're using the same software, and then you want to click on, I think it's settings, and down here you see that GetResponse shows up. If it doesn't show up, it means you haven't connected it. And so you click there and you choose the list that you want to connect it to. Okay, and you confirm that. Okay, so this funnel builder is extremely powerful, and that any funnel builder, regular funnel builder stuff that you want to do, you can do it with this one, plus more like membership sites, sell your own websites and things like that. But the important thing before I let you go that I want you to know is that that API key, whatever you connect it to, is only good for 90 days if you do not get any submissions, meaning no one comes to your page, any of your pages under the same domain. If they don't submit information here, your API key will get deleted. So actually, if you go back here, let me just delete this because I don't know how sensitive those API keys are. But if you go back here, you can see a message right here telling you that, right, due to security reasons, every 90 days, they will be removing your API key if it isn't used. You want to make sure that you are aware of that. It could be something as simple as you going to your page and submitting a name and email to keep that API, up and going. Or life happens, if you don't get to it for a few months, back to building your site and everything, you can just go and easily redo the API key. But that's all I have for you here. If you want a demo of this site, we have actually a ton of training here for you to get acclimated to this funnel builder. I was used to funnel builder software before I came here, and I barely needed training. Okay. So I didn't need training until I got like to the membership site stuff. But at the top of the description of this video, you'll have the ability to get a free demo, and it'll show you more things like how to create a capture page, how to grab a template and create pages from templates and things like that within this demo. Just put your name and email here, go grab your demo to learn more about it. And if you want to purchase this funnel builder software for your business needs, you're able to do that at the link at the description below, as well as inside of the demo. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the top. Peace.